what's inside my bag? These are what's inside my bag. And, of course, my sanitizer and napkins. No, of course, my keys. So, um, I use these to match some of my lavender color shirts or blouses, or any clothing when I feel like using it. So I love this so much. This is Junenburg, and I love this because the color, the brown and the lavender, they match together. It's so pretty. So I think that's it for tonight. It's tonight now. It's already 3:20, 3:25 in the evening here, and in the morning. What's the date today? I think the 9th. So yeah, that's all for now, guys. So hope you enjoy my content for today. So those are all my collections. Oh, I have I also use some backpacks, but I bought a backpack. just fun. I just like the color. I just love the color. Like I said, blue and green, I love it. So I bought this. So I can use this to put all my materials when I go out for vlogging. So it's big enough to carry a tripod or whatever else. There you go. So that's it for tonight, guys, for today. And next time I'll show you my wallet collection, some little wallet collection, maybe in the future. So guys, thank you for watching. Thank you for your time. So if you haven't subscribed my channel, subscribe it now, so you won't miss any of the videos that I upload almost every day. So if you like my video, please like and share it also. And like I said, please subscribe my channel, and comment also, please, whatever your comments is. If there's something that you guys want me to show you in the future, or any suggestions that you have, or you want me to do, you want me to show you guys, please leave a comment below, and just put your comments in there, and I'll make sure that I read all of them, and reply to all your comments. So thank you guys for watching. Thank you so much for your time. Please do subscribe my channel, and if you subscribe, then click all, so you won't miss any of my channel, and you get notified every time I upload a new video. So before I go, guys, like I said, have a wonderful day to everybody. Have a good night, have a good morning, and have a good afternoon. And like I always tell you guys every time I go, before I go, I want to tell you to keep safe, stay healthy, pray, and stay at home if possible. If don't go out if it's not really that important. If it's not necessary, better stay at home, and we stay healthy. God bless you all, and see you for the next video. Click the subscribe button now, so that you will get notified every time I upload a new video. Thank you guys, and see you next time. And I love you, love to everybody, and a big hug to everyone. Thank you guys so much. See you next time, and have a wonderful and great week. Thank you guys.